Okay, now turn to page 19 and we need to figure out what's the relationship between sharps, flights, natural science, and also with our keyboard. Okay, so like if I have a middle C here, and here we have a black key. So this black key will be C sharp. But we have D next to the C sharp, so that will be our D flat. So this black key has two names. It has C sharp and also D flat. A D flat. So how about this one? We have D, we have E. So this black key has two names. D sharp and E flat. Okay, and here on the book we have all the mark on, and make sure you can find it on the keyboard and understand it. Also, what is a half steps? What is a whole steps? This is another important thing we need to figure out. So we have C to C sharp. This is half step. And D flat, also it calls C sharp to D. That is a half step. So half step plus a half step, a C to D, that is a whole step. Understood? So right here it's a whole step, half step plus half step, it's a whole step. Here is a little bit special. Right here we don't have black keys in the middle. So this is E to F. That is a half step. Because we don't have black keys in the middle, we cannot play half step. So right here is a whole step. And here we have black keys again. That is a half step, whole step. Make sure you understand it because it's a bit important in that future. Because you can understand the notes between notes and the white key to the black key.